Namaskar, greetings and gratitude.
Morning. Good morning.
I welcome you all to another inspirational Star Talks. And today, with me on the hot seat is my dear friend, Nisha Aneja. How are you, Nisha?
A very good morning to everyone and all the wonderful viewers of Madam Preeti.
Thank you so much. Miss Nisha Aneja is a vice principal at GD Goenka Public School. She is an educational leader and an academic administrator. This is so good, Nisha. I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming.
My pleasure to be with you on this hot seat.
Thank you. Honored. So, please tell us about your teacher training modules and your model teaching sessions, something.
Well, Preeti, I started at a very early age. I hope you remember that when I joined, I was actually a very untrained, ungroomed girl. Soon after my postgrad, I took this job of teaching as an intern, and God planned this path for me, and that is how I came into teaching. And I did not even realize that I completed 25 years at one go, you know. And I am extremely grateful to all my mentors there. The first principal that I was with, I mean, I give them high credit for grooming me, for giving me all the challenging tasks. And unknowingly, I have learned a lot from all my peers also. And I tried my level best to submit all my efforts in very positive way, whichever I could. And one after another, I kept on getting those kind of challenging tasks. It's a privilege to work with all experienced people, and preparing my lesson plans, they all guided me. The playway teachings, the experiential methods, and I don't want to forget the COVID times also, because that was the time which made me raise my potentials in the digital world as well. Who knew that the schools could be brought to homes, and we
Absolutely.
tried to, initially it came as a hitch, how will we teach? But talking about Padlet, talking about Google tests, talking about forms, I mean, we tried to have the break room sessions as well, and try to make our teachings it raised our potential, you know
Wonderful, wonderful.
and try to make all the group learning possible. And being in the senior school, it was always wonderful to grow with the youth.
Beautiful, wonderful. That is so humble of you, telling that you came and as you've been groomed here and untrained, but I have always seen you as a trained and wonderful teacher, wonderful,
Thank
wonderful,
you
and
so
now
much.
a wonderful administrator as well, I must say.
Yeah.
Thank you. Also, with all your educational and administrative expertise, I see you have won titles as the best teacher and the best mom as well. So, how
Yeah.
did this happen?
It's a very fantastic story, Preeti. I'm a person who would always grab the opportunities. I mean, I feel everything is destined. God has planned the passage for you, and you should always be ready to take things from the universe. I mean, I'm a person who never says no for anything. I mean, they ask me if you want to go for the trip. Okay, yes. When I joined, I remember I was a teacher of for classes 6, 7, and 8. And
Okay.
when I was asked by the principal that would you be comfortable in classes 9th and 10th, I said yes, yes, sure. And then when she asked me that will you be comfortable as an excursion in charge, I said yeah, yeah, I'll do that. So whatever was thrown to me or whatever was presented to me, I just said yes. And this is how I kept on learning. So I remember I was given this task to be the newspaper representative from Times of India for the student
Okay.
edition, in my school.
Okay.
So, as you know, the enthusiastic person I am, I wanted to give all articles, all newspaper editorials written by children, poem writing, paragraph writing. So the Times representative correspondent was also very happy ki ma'am, now the things are coming regularly. So
Okay.
whenever she used to ask me that give me poems for Children's Day, give me reviews of the students for Teachers' Day. So when it came to Mom's Day, I remember the deadline to submit the name of any mother was 6th of May. So
Okay.
I requested all my peer teachers that would you like to participate? Would you like to participate? They were all mommies. None of them agreed. And
Okay.
I was not wanting to give my name, thinking that people may not feel that I am representing myself.
Okay.
So when nobody participated and the deadline was approaching, and as I never wanted to leave the opportunity, I gave my name, and this is how I participated. And
Wonderful.
but बहुत हालत खराब हुई to see so many learned women coming there. There were more than 200, and we were supposed to have our session in Taj Mansingh. So there
Okay.
was this walk around. Then I could manage to reach the second round. Then it was a question answer round, and then it was the challenge round. Somehow, I feel I was lucky to give all the things at one go and honestly. So I got this
Wonderful.
title. Yeah.
So it's not just participation. You've also received the title as well.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
I got the
Wonderful.
trophy and it was great. It was really wonderful experience. Along with me
Absolutely.
was Miss Himal Bhatt. I met her there. She was an English teacher. Today she is a
Okay.
principal. And
Okay.
we became friends and it was lovely. It was really good to learn from each other.
Absolutely. And your children being proud of their mother. That's most
Yeah,
important.
it was my daughter who motivated me basically.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, Nisha, share some of the challenges, success stories from your so much career that you've come up with the experience as an educationist.
Um, See, education is always evolving and learning never stops. So I try to keep learning every day. I do not have any kind of, bottleneck in me that I will not learn from this child or this student or this teacher. Um, as I said, that I have been a senior teacher, so adolescent issues have always been cropping up, and I take them very positively, and I learn from this senior students. I tell you, there's no harm in learning from your juniors also, because I feel today's generation fiddle with the gadgets much better than us, as we have learned these gadgets now, but they are born with those gadgets. So whether it was grooming my skills, whether it was upgrading my educational level, I have never stopped. By CBSE also we get to train ourselves for 52 hours. We have to go for online workshops, and some teachers take it like, oh, we have to again go for CBPs. Matlab, we'll have to go for 2 days. They don't like it, but I love it. I mean, I am, as I said, I'm very much ready to explore new things always, and I think that is the enthusiasm that has brought me here. I have always been saying yes, yes, yes to anything that has been given to me. And having said that, I have always faced various challenges also. Sometimes, you agree for certain things and you realize that no, it was not a good decision. Or maybe you feel that you are in that kind of difficult situation that has arisen because of you saying yes. So it requires your confidence and it requires the family support to come out of it. So I give my respect and regard to my family as well, be it my husband, be it my children. They have always adjusted and compromised with me. That we have been going for international theater festivals, coming by the evenings, and then going again on Sundays for certain examinations. We always have those neat exams on Sundays. So sometimes compromising at various events of our personal family also, but they have stood by me and they have allowed me to sail through gracefully. So whether it was professional or personal, I have been very amiable, not being judgmental about anybody, but trying to fight my own battles and trying to survive and sail through. That's the only way.
Beautiful, wonderful, very inspirational, I must say. Congratulations
Learning
to you.
from people like you, learning from people like you, I have tried to explore all possibilities. And that is the reason when you said, will you be coming here? I said, yes, of course. So
Thank
that
you.
was
Thank you
very
for being so humble. Thank you. Thank you. Honored to
yeah.
have you. Thanks. Thank you so much. So, you are a vice principal now. So, extension to the first question only. So, how has the experience been? Tell us something about it.
Um, Coming to administrative role was a little difficult initially, because I'm a happy-go-lucky person, talking very lively and friendly to everybody. And being a friend is different, but once you are an administrator, you are alone. You cannot be very friendly to your team, though we are connectively working together for a common goal, and you are leading them. But somewhere you have to draw the thin line that you cannot cross that, being very over friendly. So the first year it took me time to understand and mend my ways of talking, of giggling, of keeping that distance, and of course taking certain decisions which were not that very teacher friendly also. So somewhere the teacher inside motivated me to lead my team, and the only way that I could gear them and bind them in a single thread was making them be a part of respectful position that they are in. I mean, I always value the teachers, and that is how the team started loving me. And sometimes I had tried to give them holidays, getting that stretch. If suppose, let's say, one Saturday is coming along with two holidays, so that Saturday we'll not work. We'll work on some other Saturday. So that kind of little amendments in the schedules made
Okay.
them happy. So winning
Wonderful.
over winning over the team is one aspect of administration. And now,
Absolutely.
coming across the table, I have learned a lot of um, institutional rules, regulations, which I have also imbibed now. So as a vice principal, I think the responsibility is very high. The security, safety of the children is my prior concern, and then comes the team.
Nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, what are your hobbies? Please
I
share
love
with us.
I love music. I love music, and that soothes me very much. I mean, while driving, I put up the smooth music to make me very positive in the morning only. And once I come back from my office, the first thing is, Alexa, put on this music, so then I am relaxed a little. So music puts me on. I enjoy walking. I
Okay.
enjoy taking a stroll in the lawn of the society, and
Okay.
I'm a very party person. On weekends, I have to go out to rewind myself.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Traveling on Sundays, probably just a drive with the family. That is great.
Great. Wonderful. This is so good. So, my last question coming to you is share some of your happy moments with us.
Okay. Happy moments professionally or personally?
Both. You can tell us about professionally and personally as well. Yes.
Yeah. See, little joys of my life makes me happy. It's not a big thing that I look forward to. Like awards and titles, they are like materialistic. But personally, I was on 7th June when I became a mother. So my daughter is my biggest joy on earth. And there have been little more achievements like getting my first car, which is my own, and then I can drive and go to my friend's place, and
Okay.
having wonderful conversations with my friend, the besties I call, even in the night when husband is sleeping next to you and you are chatting in the night, and talking whatever. So these are the little joys, they are my happy moments. And though I am very friendly and open to all the people I know, they all know me as a very amiable girl. But my best friends are very selected, two or three, and I am very proud to say that they are my 2 a.m. friends. That if I need them, they can come to me at any time. So that's how I have made those golden bonds with me. And that's it, that they are the ones who make me happy, for little peanuts also, for little wafers also. And these are the little joys of my life: my husband, my daughter, my son, and my best friends. That's it. That's the small inner circle I have made.
Wonderful, wonderful. So nice knowing you, Nisha. Already I know you so well and
Thank you so
knowing
much.
more now.
You are my
Thank you.
inspiration, Preeti. You don't know, but then you have been, you have been paving that way for all of us to follow you.
All right. Thank you. I'm glad. Thanks. Thank you for
That
this.
it was lovely meeting you. A very, very pleasurable moments I'll remember forever.
Thank you. I'm glad. Thanks. Thank you again for coming.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much, my dear audience, for being with us on this lovely conversation today. I will come back with another personality who has inspired my life. Have a good day. Bye, Nisha. Thanks.